Hello there! Today we will be making flowers. Well, this sounds exciting. So let's see what do we have in our book. We see two beautiful flowers right in front of us. At first, we will make a very big circle. Let's make another circle as well. Yes, for the other flower. Make a very light drawing as this is supposed to be erased later. After that, let's make a circle right in the center. This needs to be comparatively smaller. Do you know what is this? Yes, this is the center of our flower. Now, let's start by making a slanting line over here and then a curved line. Let's make the same thing on the opposite side. This looks like a fan, isn't it? Draw one more diagonally and one more in front of it. This looks very interesting. After that, let's start making these petals in between these two. Can we do this together? If you feel that you've made a mistake, not to worry. You can erase and start again. Continue making petals in between the two petals. Something like this. That's wonderful. Let's erase the center circle and make it again. Join all the petals with it properly and then move on to the next flower. Let's make a circle in the middle like this. And after that, start by making the petals. Here we are going to make an arc. Yes, two circles. Yes, two curved lines meeting each other. Once we are done making all the four sides, let's make petals in between them. Make sure that your petals touch the center circle. And after that, erase the center circle. Look at that! We got a beautiful flower right here. Let's erase the bigger circle as well now. That's amazing! That circle was made so that all our petals are of the same size. It's time for us to sketch it now. Let's take our black sketch pen and start sketching this. Go very slow while sketching and sketch right on top of the pencil marks. This sounds interesting. Let's do this together. Go very slow while making these petals and do not make a mistake. This looks beautiful. Once we are done with this, let's take our eraser and erase all the pencil marks we see. That is lovely. Now we will take our pencil color and start coloring. This is a very interesting way to color this. At first, we will take our pencil color and put some pressure when we are coloring on the right hand side. Slowly and gradually, we'll start releasing the pressure from the pencil so that we get a lighter shade. The more you press the pencil, the more darker shade you'll get. This looks like such a beautiful shading effect, isn't it? Let's do this together. Well, yes, we will be doing this for all the petals. Complete the entire flower in a similar way. This looks beautiful. Let's take yellow color and do the center of the flower. That looks brilliant. Let's go ahead with the next one now. We will take a vermilion hue or a light orange color and start coloring this. Yes, we will only do the edges of this with the help of lines. This looks pretty already. Let's take orange color and do it on top of it now. Very lightly. Yes, we will release the pressure and color. Finally, let's take yellow color and color right here. We will color on top of the colored parts so that the colors blend together. Yes, let's put some pressure and color nicely. This looks beautiful. Finally, let's take brown color and do the center of the flower. Let's make lines like this. Yes, crisscross lines, and color inside lightly. And both the flowers are done.